Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. On Wednesday, the market surpassed all crucial levels, driven by positive sentiments across various asset classes worldwide. The strong verdict for Mr. Trump boosted the US stock futures, leading to short covering in other markets. Today, the decision on interest rate cut will come from the Fed. It is expected to lower rates by 25 basis points. However, Mr. Powell faces a tough test as Trump's return sparks market volatility and inflation concerns. Trump's policies may lead to fewer Fed rate cuts, which is again not positive for emerging markets and which will keep the dollar strong. If we consider the global macros, then they are unfavorable. 10-year bond yield is above 4.40 and dollar index is above 105. Crude is at $75 per barrel. However, if we see the domestic flows, then their MSCI has rebalanced its index and has announced rebalancing of the index, and the weightage for India they have increased. Also, they have increased weightage for stocks like HDFC Bank, Kalyan Jewellers, Voltas, Oberoi Realty, Tata Power, and few other stocks. So we could see some activity in these stocks. However, the overall setup of the market is suggesting us that the markets have crossed the important crucial level of 24,400, and based on its setup, we could see the levels of 24,700 or 800 in the near term. However, for the day specifically, as it's a day of weekly expiry, we need to see that whether the market sustains above the levels of 24,500 or not. If it sustains about 24,500, we should look for creating some long positions. But in case if we see the market is dropping back to the levels of 24,300 or 200, then there we need to see that whether the market is forming any bullish reversal formation or not, and based on that only we can look for taking some contra bet of going long. Till then, our advice is to stay away from taking any position, as the market may spend time between the levels of 24,500 and 24,000 on the downside. For the Bank Nifty, there also we saw a complete pause sort of activity on Wednesday. 52,600 is the level above which we can expect further more bullishness, and in that case the chances of hitting 53,100 would turn bright. But below 52,600 we can see a range bound activity between 52,000 and 50,600. But PSU banks, they are showing a lot of strength. Few private banks have also formed some reversal activity, so maybe during the day we could see some activity in banks. But above 52,600, again we can see short-term rally in bank stocks. Commodities did well. Technology stocks recovered sharply from their lows, and today we have to see that whether they are following to the previous pattern or not, and accordingly we should look for taking some positions. Otherwise, it is better to be more and more stock specific in this market. That's all from my side. With this, I am ending today's call. Thank you very much for listening me, and have a great day to all of you.